project they initiate is called the National Scout Service Day. So this service day is held on the first weekend of December. It is aligned with the United Nations World Volunteer Day. So each year, the Public Relations Committee, they will select one topic to be the main theme of the service that year. And they will be hosting their service sessions across the north, central, and south part of Taiwan. They also encourage each scout troop to start their own service projects and then share it through the Google form, riding bicycles to replace other forms of transportation so that we can reduce carbon footprints. And then the picture below here, we cooperate with another social NGOs. So we ask people to donate the receipt, the invoice after they shop in Taiwan, because the invoice in Taiwan is like a lucky draw. So once you shop in Taiwan, there's a chance you can hit a jackpot, donate to Turkey. And I'm proud to share with you that this is the first group of goods that is donated to Turkey in Taiwan after the earthquake hits. And apart from these donation collections, there are also scouts serving in other cities through the Tzu Chi Foundation. They're also collecting goods to Turkey. To our friends in Thailand and Myanmar. So we design another badge to sell it among our members, and we also encourage the fundraising campaign initiated by each scout troop. And this also aligns with the SDG goals. Number 3, good health and well-being. Number 11, sustainable cities, communities. And number 17, partnership for the goals. And we also would like to appreciate the APR Support Center, the NSO, and National Scout Organization of Thailand, and the Myanmar Scouts for collaborating with us through this initiative. They've provided us the information, what they need, and also the transparency and accountability of the project, which we really appreciate, so that we can share the information with our members. And it's also important to recognize people who are taking part in this. So we also, apart from the badges, we have the certificate of appreciation to the people supported in these projects, such as the business owners we previously mentioned. And this is some of the photos that we are used to promote the actions on social media. If you break your bones, how to do, you can use your skirt to cover the limbs, and then we carry the wounded people to the hospital. And the caption below says that the first aid kit, if you go to the mountain, you should bring gloves, knives, ropes, waters, and a backpack, flashlight. Things like that should not be ignored, even when you're just going on a hike for one day. Because hiking and walking into the hills is very popular in Taiwan, but some people go into the mountains without being prepared, and that causes a lot of problems and a waste of public resources. Yeah, and after that, because the story is publicly shared, and a lot of people learn about the heroic act of the Greek Scout, we also present